Hi, let's talk today about HTML5 Landmarks, React Hooks and Deno. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. This time we'll start with a short article titled HTML Includes That Work Today by Scott Jehl. The author shares an experimental technique for connecting external SVG and HTML files. You can jump right to the demo and then read benefits and possible drawbacks. HTML5 Landmarks Exposed by Scott Jehl described the support of navigation of structural elements that implemented on different browsers, screen readers, and various platforms. In the article Getting Creative with the Console API, you can learn about useful functions in there that will help you out while debugging in a browser. Console.log is just one of them. The very next point in my list is a project TensorSpace. TensorSpace is a neural network 3D visualization framework that provides layer APIs to build deep learning layers, load pre-trained models, and generate a 3D visualization in the browser. Design Patterns in Modern JavaScript Development by Christian Postlek is an architectural focused post that contains what, why, and where for the most used design patterns and provides neat illustrations. It's worth reading. Deno, a new way to JavaScript? You might have heard about it. In this video, Anatol explains how to get started with Deno. A React TypeScript tutorial is an introductory video that aims to boost your productivity, reducing small runtime errors during development. Christian Wamba posted an article titled A Close Look at React Memoirs Hooks. Use ref, use callback, and use memo. Here you can read a detailed overview of a particular type of hook, alongside with discovering code examples and look through live demos. Using hooks instead of Redux for state management is by no means easier. However, Sergey Ryzhkov presented From Redux to Hooks a case study, an exciting exploration of their experiences in using hooks on a project instead of Redux, and why that works for them. Eric Elliott posted an article What is this? The inner working of JavaScript objects. Here you can get to know how a context, this, behaves and save a lot of time debugging tricky issues. Just in case you've missed, let me share with you an illustrated dev that explains web development through illustrations. Most of these explainers are about JavaScript fundamentals, but there are more. How we use WebAssembly to speed up our web app by 20 times is a case study exploring how to speed up web apps by replacing slow JavaScript calculations with compiled WebAssembly. Take a look. Nick Babbage, in his turn, posted an article titled 6 Ideas for Creating Better Avatars Placeholders. In this article, you can find 6 ideas for building better avatars taking into account visual identity. You can read more at UX Planet. The Front-End Developer Handbook 2019 edition by Cody Lindley is a detailed guide to learn about the practice of front-end development. This handbook outlines useful resources and tools to practice while learning. A worthwhile reference. One more article regarding this topic, Decoding the Front-End Development Interview Process, by May'19. In this article, you can learn how to have a successful front-end interview. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.